Hey, how's everybody doing? Hey, Charles here, AllCoastLawncare&pressurewashing. It's the we're in March, mid-March, March 18th. So picked up a couple of customers already. Started mowing my old customers from last year. So I'm just still want to hold off a couple more weeks. I don't know why, because grass is growing. A couple more weeks is gonna probably be high, and then I'm gonna charge. It's gonna probably be a high growth charge, you know what I mean, or for overgrowth. But we'll see. Anyway, I'm back at one of my regular customers. Faithful customer, awesome. He's a blessing. So let's check it out. Seems like he has like a lot of weeds in the yard. So here we go, y'all. Not bad, but he's out of town. I asked him if I could still come out, you know, to service his yard, and he gave me the okay. Check out the back. All right. I have to move the extension cord over there. All right, y'all, let's knock it out. All right, y'all, just got finished. Let's take some before and afters real quick. All right, here we go. So I'm gonna go and take some pictures for the customer since he's out of town. He won't be back till Wednesday. I like doing that for my customers before and after that they're out of town, because I want to assure them that I'm servicing their yard. So I did that side with the string trimmer. I didn't go down with my mower, my zero turn. I didn't want to take that chance. Hey man, if you think it's gonna take a chance, if you think you're going to take a chance, don't do it. There's the back. They service their own flower garden area. Don't touch that. All right, y'all, I'm inside. The truck came back in, so that took me 40 minutes, y'all, for this yard, front and back, along the ditch and along the back of the fence, that ditch area where I showed you where I got stuck at. So the boss told me not to put my quotes on YouTube anymore. You know what I mean? Just for the fact that she has her reasons why, and people do use that against y'all. You know what I mean? So if you're gonna make videos, put your quotes out there, your competitors are gonna know your quotes and they're gonna mark their quote $5 under than you. All right, so they're like that, y'all. Okay, they'll ruin the lawn care industry just so they could get more customers. All right, so I think that's pretty jacked up, but that's on them. You know what I mean? I don't mind at all, because the grass is still growing and people are still gonna call. Okay. And I ain't lying, man, my knees are clicking right now. So I got me some Synvis shots for my knees last week, gel shots, all right, because I got arthritis in both knees. Like, they're just clicking against each other. They lock up, and I have to like force them, you know what I mean, to like straighten out. You know, that's how bad it is. Hey, that's wear and tear on the body, y'all. That is wear and tear on the body, okay? That wasn't from mowing lawn care for 5 years. That's from, like, you know, just doing my job, you know, in the Marine Corps. All right, you know, hard landings from jumping out of planes, you know, with the parachute, you know, those static line jumps. Static line and free fall is different. Free fall jumps are awesome. You could brake when you come down and just softly land. And just like rucking it with like hundreds of pounds on my back. All right, so wear and tear on the body, y'all. And that's the same thing when you continue to do lawn care, man. You're walking these ditches. You're getting those ankle breakers when there's overgrown grass. You know what I mean? You're stepping in a hole. All right, that sun out there, the sun, man, it's coming out, y'all. It's gonna get hot. You gotta hydrate. All right, that's messing up with those brain cells, heating up those brain cells. That backpack blower on your shoulders, you know what I mean? Wear and tear on your shoulders. I got arthritis in my shoulders too, y'all. Wear and tear on my shoulders. They still can't figure out what's going on with this one. I can get an MRI done. They can rule out if I need knee surgery or shoulders or shoulder replacements, or knee replacements or surgery to my shoulder, because I don't know if y'all noticed this scar on my head. I was shot in the head back in 1992, drive-by shooting. I have a fragment in my brain, so that's why they can't do an MRI. You know, so they just give me shots in my shoulders and my knees, you know what I mean, just to temporary fix, all right? But the doc said last week when they give me my shots on my knees that when I come back, they're just gonna send me to a knee specialist just so they can roll out if I'm gonna need knee surgeries. Other than that, y'all, man, I thank God every day I'm awake. I can move my legs still. I can move my arms. I'm gonna tell you what, y'all. To all my fellow veterans, man. Some of y'all gave all, man. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? So I appreciate y'all. Okay. You know, I just thank God that I'm able to walk and you know, just move my legs and my arms. You know, so but hey, God bless you. This took me 40 minutes. All right, regular lawn care customer from last year. He's a faithful customer, pays on time. He's awesome. And then other than that, y'all, hey, see you on the next video. I gotta do 4 more yards and I'm gonna call it a day. Try to go spend time with my kid. It's a spring break right now. All right, y'all, hey, see you on the next video. Hey, please like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it if you like and subscribe. Hey, thank you, bye.